ಹಲೋ ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ನಮಸ್ತೆ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಲಾಕ್ಡೌನಲ್ಲಿ ಬೋರ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಫೀಲ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲಾಕ್ಡೌನ್. ಮಚ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಸಾಧನಾ ಸೀಕ್ರೆಟ್ ಫ್ಲೇವರ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫೇಬಲ್ಸ್. Please like, share and subscribe my videos. They are very traditional in nature, so you will enjoy cooking with me. And in this lockdown, you may be wondering, again, what is this another lockdown? You may get bored and things like this. You may have some depressing thoughts and all that. But nan prakara, lockdown also is a giving rest to your brain, to your body. Look at it like that, and spend time with your family. Do whatever you like, pursue your hobbies. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನೇನು ಇಷ್ಟನೋ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿ, ಹಾಡಿ, ಪೇಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟಿವ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಹೊಲಿರಿ, ಕುಕಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ ಕುಕಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ನನ್ನ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಟೈಮ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಮೂವೀಸ್ ನೋಡಿ. ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ ಇನ್ ಲಾಕ್ಡೌನ್. ಸೊ ಹೊರಗೆ ಹೋಗೋದೇ ಒಂದು ಇದು ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬೇಜಾರು ಪಟ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್. That bored word should never be in your dictionary. Okay? So with these thoughts of mine, today I'm going to make 3 things which are very simple in nature. Very, 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 very traditional Konkani Amchi cooking. So I'll be showing you the ingredients. The ingredients are, these are actually no wastage chutneys. You may laugh at me, what is this without wasting, what chutney is this Sadhana making? But you will really love it. These are snake gourd, padwalkai. Snake gourd, they should be very tender. They are seeds. You can see the snake gourd, that is the padwalkai seeds, bija. ಅದು ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪನೇ ಇದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚಟ್ನಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ತೋರ್ಸೋಕ್ಕೆ. ಅಬೌಟ್ 1 ಟೇಬಲ್ ಸ್ಪೂನ್ ಇದೆ. And about 5 or 6 green chilies, hing, and iದೇನಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀರಾ, ಸೀಮೆ ಬದನೆಕಾಯಿ ಸಿಪ್ಪೆ. This is the chow chow, that vegetable which is called ಸೀಮೆ ಬದನೆಕಾಯಿ. In our Konkani language it is called vilayat vaingan. This is the skin of that. I'll be making a chutney with this. So I've got about 2 small cups of this. Then I've got tamarind, and these are for a dal. For that I'll be showing the ingredients later. And coconut for the chutneys. So now we will, first I've boiled this simi badni, that is the chow skin, and I've kept. But this has to be roasted a little. So we'll do the roasting work. I've switched on the pan. I'll be adding about 2 teaspoons of oil. And I will add the seeds of the snake gourd. ಪಡ್ವಲ್ಕಾಯಿ ಬೀಜನ ಇದು ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಇವಾಗ. I'll be roasting it a little till it is a little light brown. You can see I'm roasting it so that the rawness of that seeds is not there when we grind the chutney. I'll add about 2 green chilies, 2 ಹಸಿಮೆಣಸಿನಕಾಯಿ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ. ಬಟ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಮುಖದ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾರೋ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಸಾಕು. ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಬಾಯ್ಲ್ ದಿ ಸೀಡ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ವಾಟರ್, ಥ್ರೋ ದ ವಾಟರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ದ ಸೀಡ್ಸ್. ಟುಡೇ ಐ ಆಮ್ ರೋಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಅ ಲಿಟಲ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಆ್ಯಡಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಂಗ್, ಅಬೌಟ್ ½ teaspoon of hing. In that only I will add a little coconut. Just saute it a little. This is enough. Yeah. Then now what I'll do is I'll add a little tamarind, and now we'll make this chutney. I'm putting it in this grinder. Nodidralla? See? One chutney is already ready. The snake gourd seeds chutney. It is super tasty. You can just eat it with rice, plain rice. It is just super, very, very tasty. Just 3 or 4 ingredients, but you'll have a very nice chutney. You saw one chutney with the snake gourd seeds in the same mixer. You don't need to wash it. Now I'll be showing chow chow skin chutney, sime badnekaidu sippedu chutney. And I had forgotten to keep tuar dal. For this chutney I'll be adding a little tuar dal, about half tablespoon. So now we will roast the ingredients. You can see in the same pan, I'm not washing the pan also. In the same pan, what you can do is, if the vegetable you are using today, say you are using chow chow today, remove the skin, boil it and keep it in the refrigerator, and next day you can make it. It's not necessary that you have to make it on another day. I mean on the same day. Next day if you don't have any vegetables, then you can make this chutney. So it's a nice combination with whatever dal or sambar you make. So now I'll be roasting the tuar dal in the same pan. I'm roasting the tuar dal. In that itself I will add about 3 green chilies. And for this, coconut is very less usage. You don't need to use too much of coconut. About 2 tablespoons and all is enough. So nicely roasted brown. Now I'm adding hing. Hing is a must for everything. Actually this boiled skin, you can directly use it. I just like to just saute it a little in this oil in which I put the tuar dal, just to give it a little extra taste and just a little flavor. But you can add it directly also, not a problem. So much coconut is enough. I'll add a little tamarind and salt, and now I'll make this chutney all together. You can see it's just, but no need of making one hue and cry of how to make the chutney and all that. It's ready. Now we will grind it after it's cool. ನೋಡಿದ್ರಿ ಸೀಮೆ ಬದನೆ ತೊಗರಿ ಬೇಳೆ ಹಾಕಿ ಚಟ್ನಿ. You can see tuar dal and the skin of the chow chow chutney, light green in color, because chow chow has light green. It is hot rice. It's a super tasty. Of course you can eat it with dosa, idli and all that, but in our house we prefer it with lunch. So you can eat it however you want. That is up to the household. ನೋಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಲೈಟ್ ಹಸುರು ಬಣ್ಣ. ಸೀಮೆ ಬದನೆಕಾಯಿಗೆ ಒಂಥರ ಬಣ್ಣ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಒಗ್ಗರಣೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಿಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಸಹ. ಫುಲ್ ಸೀಮೆ ಬದನೆನೂ ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಸೀಮೆ ಬದನೆ ಪಲ್ಯ ಮಾಡಿ ಸ್ಕಿನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚಟ್ನಿ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಕೊಂಕನೀಸಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ವಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಅವರ್ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿ. Even the skins of very good vegetables, we use it for chutney, we use it for so many things. So in future videos, I'll keep showing you no wastage cooking. So these are 2 chutneys made with the skin, you can see. So you have 2 dishes today. Now another very traditional cooking of our Konkani household, which is called toy kadi. Toy kadi andre toy andre tawe bele, kadi andre it has jeera, pepper, garlic. So adike toy kadi anta heltivi. It's a very nice. You may be wondering why I keep telling nice. Whatever I make will be nice. No, but genuinely it is tasty and nice. Otherwise I will not show and make a fool of myself. So now we will roast the ingredients for this toy kadi. ಈ ತೊಯ್ ಕಡಿಗೆ ನಾವೀಗಾಗ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಜೀರಿಗೆ, ಮೆಣಸು, ಬೆಳ್ಳುಳ್ಳಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಬೇಳೆ ಹಾಕೋದ್ರಿಂದ ತವ್ವೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಡಿ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್ ಈಸ್ ತೊಯ್ ಕಡಿ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ರೋಸ್ಟ್. I kept a little oil. So now what I'll do is just crush the garlic a little, because garlic has a tendency to splatter on your face. Never allow the bulbs to go in without just crushing it a little. Okay. So for the ingredients, I have crushed garlic. I have about half teaspoon of pepper, about a teaspoon of jeera, amla. You may be wondering why I have kept salted amla. See, idu ಉಪ್ಪಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು ಬೆಟ್ಟದ ನೆಲ್ಲಿಕಾಯಿ. That is the amla, salted amla, because this is very good for the stomach. So I've kept about 4 or 5. I'll be roasting this also. And a little 4 or 5 badgi chilies, red chilies, a little coconut and tamarind. These are the ingredients for the toy kadi. So now I've put a little oil. You can see I'm using the same pan, so that let us not keep washing it. So now I'll be adding the pepper. I'll be adding the jeera. I'll be adding the amla. Amla is very good, and this is a very good dish for the stomach. Amla is very good for the stomach. So just roast it a little. Now I'll be adding the garlic when they start. I've just crushed the garlic. I've added the garlic. Just roast everything a little. They have a nice flavor, nice aroma. Add the red chilies also. Because you have added pepper, remember, red chilies can be reduced according to your taste. And as you can see, I had already cooked the dal and I had kept with turmeric. Go into the mixer. I'll not add all the coconut. Just about a tablespoon is enough. I'll be adding a little tamarind. Maybe so much. Yeah, now we'll grind it. I already cooked the dal. I had shown you some time back with a little turmeric. So now what I'll do is, it has about a 3/4 cup of dal or 1 cup of dal, you can say. So now I'll add the toy kadi masala to this. No putting, tempering, idak wagarne illa, yenilla. It has everything. It has amla, it has jeera, it has pepper. It has all superb tasting ingredients in this. Very good for the stomach. So if you're having a sluggish stomach, ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಒಂಚೂರು ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಇದನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ತಿನ್ನಿ. ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಮುದ್ದೆಗೂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಮೆಣಸು ಜೀರಿಗೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಮುದ್ದೆ ತಿನ್ನೋರು ಇದನ್ನು ಮುದ್ದೆಗೆ ಸಹ ತಿನ್ಬೋದು. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಥಿನ್ ಆಸ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಪ್ಲಾನಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಅ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಮೋರ್ ವಾಟರ್. ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕೆಪ್ಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ತೊಯ್ ಕಡಿ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ದಾಲ್ ಕಡಿ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ತೊಯ್ ಕಡಿ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್. ಇದನ್ನ ಬಾಯ್ಲ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಆ್ಯಡ್ salt. I'm adding rock salt, and then we will taste and see how it tastes. Any adjustment you can make it at this stage. Have it with hot rice and ghee with the 2 chutneys. So now we will plate and see how colorful my thali is.